Hello again, it's David from Mr. C's with another unboxing for you. A little bit bigger box this time. And we'll do the knife opening for your visual pleasure. Hopefully things are going okay for you and your families during this phase of the pandemic. All right, so you can see in this box, got some more packing material to remove. Looks like there might be two things here. Here's number one. Looks like an Epiphone product. Let's take a look at what we've got here. And chances are there's two of them. Here's the second one. So in terms of model, we've got MM-30ASGH. So they're both the same, so I'll put one aside. And let's see what we have inside here. Epiphone usually tapes sides of their boxes down. I'll just get rid of that. And see what we have here. Oh. Nice packing job by Epiphone. There's the bridge. This is obviously a mandolin. 8 strings. Got the floating bridge there. Which means it's shipped, not tuned and not set up. So that's something that we'll have to do in the store before putting it out for sale. Oh, very pretty. You can see the headstock there. The Epiphone. Looks like it's the teardrop style of mandolin. Kind of a tobacco burst style. Bronze strings. Here's the headstock again with the tuners. Point it this way. Very nice. Very nice back. You can see the wood grain there. The reflection of my iPhone, but not me. Very nice. Well, that's today's unboxing of an Epiphone mandolin. Look for it in the store as things progress, as we open up and are able to sell some more product. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.